Hey ladies and gents, we have a bad capacitor today. I'm going to show you how you read it. First things first, you're going to take your disconnect out, either flip it upside down, put it back in, or sit it on top of the box right there. You're going to take your multimeter, flip to where it says ohms/microfarads. You're going to hit select a few times until you see NF or UF. Then you're going to take no power on, each and every one of these wires off. Remember where they go, take you a picture if you want to. You're not real familiar with it. We're going to take each one of them off, kind of like when you're reading a battery in a car. We're going to test from your big prongs here, four prongs, that's the common side, hermetic side, which is for your compressor right there. And then we're going to test from common to fan. So common to compressor is 35.7. This is a 45 capacitor, so that side's weak. Now common to fan, we have 0. So there you go. Fan side's bad. We're just going to change this bad boy out, and that's that. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Have a good one. Subscribe if you liked it. God bless.